And now I'm bleached, but now I'm not. But now I'm bleached, but now I'm not. If you want to see how I did that, continue watching, sis.
Bitch, oh, Papa, you pop. Bitch, oh, Papa, whoever. You know who pop the most shit? The people who shit not together. Okay. You the big cardio freak.
Hey y'all, let's jump right into it. As you guys can see, this is what the closure looked like prior bleaching. The knots are very dark and it doesn't have that natural scalp look. So in this video, I'm going to take you guys through the process of bleaching your knots and making that closure look natural, sis. The bleach that I'll be using is this Excellence Blue Powder Bleach that also came with a developer, a 30 volume developer. I got these products at a local shop in town for about 50 Rand. I'll make use of the New Light Silver Shampoo, also called Purple Shampoo, that you can get at Discount for about 50 something Rand. That's going to neutralize all the bronzing from the closure once bleached. And I'm also going to use this plastic knife to put the bleach on the closure. I will not be using my hands. This is what the blue powder bleach looks like. It is small because I've used it before, and I'm going to use the remaining bleach to bleach this closure. So I'm going to put the bleach inside, the powder bleach inside of the small container that it came in. I will then pour small bits of the developer inside the bleach. The reason why you would opt for pouring small intervals of the developer is because you're trying to get a really thick consistency of the bleach, so it's a lot safer to just keep pouring the developer bit by bit than pouring it at one go, and then the consistency of the bleach is just very watery, which will result in the bleach seeping through your closure, bleaching both your knots and your hair, and you do not want that. So a trick that I like is scooping a bit of the bleach with the knife and putting the knife upside down to see if the bleach moves, and if it doesn't, the bleach is thick enough and ready to be used. So I'm going to scoop some of the bleach with the knife, and I'm going to literally like spread the bleach onto the closure like I'm making a sandwich, guys. Like, you just gotta be like easy with it, you know. I'm not gonna press hard on the closure as I am, you know, smothering it with the bleach, because that might, you know, get into the hair and bleach the hair, you know. So I'm just really gentle with it. We're gonna take our closure as the bread and the bleach as the butter, and you're gonna butter the bleach onto the closure until each corner is filled up with bleach. As you're buttering your sandwich, aka your closure, some of the bleach might, you know, get onto the hair, and that's perfectly fine. You can just remove it once you're done, you know, quickly just wipe it off or something. It's not a train smash. I'll leave the bleach on the closure for about 30 minutes because the knots on my closure are fine. They're not thick. But if the knots on your closure are thick, I'd advise you to leave the bleach on for a longer period of time so that those thick knots get some bleaching. This is what my closure looked like once it was buttered. The entire closure is filled up with bleach, and that's how you want it. And this is the amount of bleach that was left over, which was basically nothing. So yeah, I'm going to wash off the closure. My sink does not work, like the water just comes out so slowly, so I'm not about that laugh. Once I've washed off all the bleach, I'm going to take my New Light Purple Shampoo or Silver Shampoo that's going to help neutralize all the bronzing from the closure. So basically, bronzing is when you bleach your hair or your closure and it turns into a very brown color, and it does not look nice. With my closure, it didn't do that, but I always just put the purple shampoo just for the just, and also to just show you guys what you can use if you find yourself in a situation where your closure bronzes or it over bleaches. So yeah, I'm also going to wash that off and use my thumbs to, you know, work into the removing the purple shampoo from my closure. If you want any information on this specific hair, you can go check out a hair review that I did a couple of days ago. The link or the video is going to show up on the left or right hand corner of this video. Once your closure has been bleached and washed, the back of your closure should look a little bit different. If it has this kind of color, then your closure has been successfully bleached. So this is what the results look like, and I am so happy with them. Like, the closure looks a lot better and more natural than what it looked like before bleaching. Before I bleached it, it was dark, it didn't have a natural look. This is literally pressed against my skin, but you can clearly see the knots. And sis, we got rid of that. Like, this is what it looks like afterwards, and it's just so beautiful. I love the results. And guys, this brings us to the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was informative and it was quick and easy. Bye.